या याडा है। हम्म। हम्म। कारण
Hi guys, good morning. Am I audible?
यस सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल।
Let's wait for more 2 minutes, then we'll start. Any doubts from the previous class? Anyone?
Yesterday, you have asked us to remind you about how to handle disappearing auto suggestion today.
Yeah, sure. I'll. Anything more doubts? No? Okay. Okay. See. To handle disappearing auto suggestion, we are having two ways. One way is to the developers toolbar and to event listeners to blur, then this is one way. Whereas control plus shift A run window will come. Then click there. Use focus. Then click on focused page. First take down this. Then I'll tell you what is this and how to like handle all those things. First, right, take a screenshot of this. Is it done?
Yes, taken.
Good. See, what actually I want to say is yesterday we are discussing like I want to search here iPhone. Okay. I want to locate anyone from this. This is a auto suggestion or not? I'll go to the developers tool. But while clicking here, if I'm coming, see, while clicking here, I'm coming here. It is getting disappeared or not? This is your disappeared auto suggestion. What you have to do is the first way is to you have to go to event listeners and click on blur and remove all those things. That means from these two, which one will work, but you have to check which one is working. Here it is event listeners. Inside this event listeners, search for blower. Go to this blower. You have to remove these two and check whether you are able to do that or not. Or else, see, here we are not able to do with the blower part. We'll click Control Shift P. Automatically run window will come. Click focus. Click on this. Humiliated a focus, but click on this. Automatically the suggestion will come. Then you can access on this element. Got my point? What I want to say?
Yes.
Like once you'll get this auto suggestion, then you can work on all those elements. Correct. Normal. It will work the program of auto suggestion, but to handle this, we have to to look at all those things. We have to follow this way. Clear? Okay. Yesterday, up to what I have taught, what what was the last thing what I taught? Hmm? What guys are getting
Mouse
today?
mouse over on a web element.
We'll start from mouse over on a web element, correct? Up to
Yeah.
this, I have completed. Fine.
Yeah. So, but what was you trying to do before? I missed something, I think. You are just showing us if auto suggestions are disappearing, then what
Yes.
do we need to
What
do?
is the way of just to see? Once you will see the auto suggestion, once you'll able to locate the auto suggestion, then only you can work on that. Correct.
Yeah.
Then how to locate that one only I was saying.
Okay.
Any doubts from the robot class?
I was having one question actually.
Yeah.
So, yours yesterday class was click on web element. Can you go on that class actually?
Hmm.
Um, yeah. So can you run this class actually?
Hmm.
When I'm running this class, it's looking, it's going somewhere else. Means, and I'm doing completely like you only. Uh, but it's going somewhere else. It's not, output is not coming exactly like yours. Yours is coming correct, but mine is not coming correct. That I
Okay,
know.
once see after 10:30 or 11, no, just reach out me. Once I'll check with any desk, I'll tell you because without seeing I can't say.
Okay.
I have to check out once what is the whether you have written something wrong or you have missed out something. Any silly mistakes will be then also it will not work. Once I have to check out all those things.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
See,
sir. Thank
if
you.
you as you are saying what I have written, you have written that still then it is not working. With respect to that only I am saying.
Yeah, yeah. That I understood. No, it's working, but it's going on the different page at the place like for you where it's going. For me, it's not going on the same page.
Well, see that. I'll see that. For
Yeah,
sure.
okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. What do you mean by mouse hovering? Hmm?
Move the mouse to the place where we want some information about that.
Correct. Without clicking, I want to move the mouse pointer to that specific place. That is known as your mouse hovering. Correct? See, you program of that. What I'll do, I'll go to Mintra. I'll mouse over on men and I want to click on any of this element. Any of one element I'll click. For example, I'll click on this sweaters. Then this page will open. But if I'll click on this men, it will navigate to some other link. Got my point? If I'll click, I'll get this URL. But if I'll click, I'll mouse over and I'll click, I'll get this URL. Clear? Let's see. Driver dot find element XPath. Sons. Son. Perfect. Wait for 3 seconds. Let's see. It will not work. Came this auto suggestion one. See, without changing the link, all the things we can see here. Correct?
Correct. How much is the size? Okay.
I'll show you that. I'll show you. 338. Okay.
Mm.
If test dot equals sweaters, jackets, blazer, anyone you can click. Okay. Not only I'm sweaters. Sweaters. Dot done. Directly URL change to men sweaters. Clear now what I want to show you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take down this folder. Guys, all the methods of this actions class are which type of method? This one,
Performance.
sorry?
Performance.
Which type of method I'm asking? These are the methods, correct? Of actions.
Non-static. Non-static.
Non-static method. Good. Okay. Clear? Clear up to this?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll see. Just a minute. Scroll to particular element first. This one I'll do now. Scroll to a particular element. See. Okay, what is the difference between this mouse over and scroll to element? Just see once. Mouse over means I'll bring my mouse here and I'll mouse over an element. But scroll to a particular element means, see, as of you can see, this is my UI, correct? If this entire thing is my UI, I can only work with this part in Selenium. In some of the cases, what happens in a web page, only like scrolling options will be not present. So through automation, you cannot scroll this automatically. Got my point? What I want to say? Like you cannot scroll. See, within this, in your UI, whatever it is present, through your automation you can only like access to all those elements, not to the elements which is present in down. In this condition, what we have to do, if you are doing automation, we'll get a exception, and we'll get a exception as what a type of exception we will get. Just a minute. We'll get an exception as no such element exception, because that element is not visible. That's why we'll get no such element exception. In that condition, what we have to do, we have to scroll to that specific element and we have to click on that. See, if I want to click on this wiki source, no, this is not visible. See, here it is not visible in the UI, we will get no such element exception. That means first of all, I have to scroll to this element, then I will click on this element. How to do this, I'll tell you. What guys, you are getting bored or I'm just taking in a wrong track, you are thinking? Everyone is silent today. Hmm?
No, sir.
Not like that, sir.
Find element. See, first of all, what I'll do, I'll locate this. Wiki source.
Uh, why did you took dot equal wiki source? Because class name was something else, right?
Sorry,
So you took dot equal wiki source, but class name was something else, right?
this one, correct? Which
Uh-huh.
class one you are asking? This class one or which one?
No, this one which you are finding spam and then array dot
See, actually,
equal.
this is a text value it is present here, no?
So text value also we can write after putting dot equal.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
See here, I have done two things. How to scroll to a particular element and how to pause during from one element to other element. Okay, this one is for your scrolling to the element. Then what I'll do, I'll pause for 2 seconds, then I will perform click operations. See, it has scrolled to that element directly. Just a minute.
So even if we want to scroll it down, we can directly click using actions, right? The
See,
20-second line, right?
no, you cannot click. Why? I'll tell you. In
Okay.
all the conditions, what happen, this scrolling option will not work. See, as we are working with the web page and we are testers, we are not developers. Fine.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The developers, in some of the cases, what you will see, as of I said, how to open a developers toolbar. I have shown you 3-4 ways. Why? Because I'll come here, I'll right click, I'll click on this inspect, I'll come like a control shift I can use. I have to go here and see. Reason of saying all those things is for security purpose. Many of the developers, what they disable all those things. That means being a tester, we should know all the ways to access to those things, correct? As we are doing automation on a web page. Here, my concern of telling you is why to use scroll button. You said correct. See, if I locate this, I'll directly write actions dot click on this web element. It will click. But if internally or your backend source code, it is written like that, you cannot do this scrolling option. Like auto scrolling is not present.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, of how it works, the thing which is present inside this square, you can see, no, only
Mm-hmm.
this UI you can work. Apart from this UI, in this UI, how much thing you can see on those element only you can do automation part. That means this one is not visible here. For the timing, it is visible. Now it is not visible. That means we
Yes.
cannot access to that element. That's why using mouse operations, actions class is used for mouse operation. That's why using mouse operation, first we have to scroll. Scroll means this one will be visible in our UI. Then only we can perform action on this element.
Right.
Clear? Or else, like if that element is not visible, you will get an exception as not interactable exception or no such element exception. Like these exceptions you will be getting. It is coming directly. You're getting what I want to say, or else I need to change.
Yes, I understood.
Take down this program. And this scroll to element is present in version 4, not in other, like version 2 3 you will not get scroll to element option. And what is the use of this pause also you got to know, correct? How this thread dot slip is working, this pause will work.
No.
How this thread dot slip is working, this pause will work for actions class. It's like
Can you run the program again?
wiki source came. I know what you are asking me. Like, see, I'm not able to show you with the present UI, correct? That is the main.
Yeah.
If you'll work, see, you know this principle first. This will help you out. This one will help you out to scroll to the.
Can you comment it out and then show?
Yeah, I'm commenting here only, no?
No.
Just
Comment out
I
the
got
full.
no, what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah.
Hmm, let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Why do we need this line number 17, sir?
Why I have written maximize one, correct? No, here it is working. See, in some of the condition it will not work. That's what I want to say.
Yeah, that I understood. But why did you use line number 17? You never did this before, right?
Yeah, I did this because I
Right.
want to see what actually while running I am. If I'm not using this, you can see here this application will open in this small window. See, in this small window, it is coming or not? I thought
Okay.
of what this one will not scroll down. Previously, what happened? This Wikipedia, what we are having, no, it is this scrolling option was disabled, correct? So I thought
Mm-hmm.
of that maybe it is compressing and I am able to see this. That's why I have done maximize. Maximize means it will come like this. That's why
Okay.
I was trying to show you that with maximize option.
Okay.
But just no, see, these are the options where to use. I am just showing you. If you're
Mm-hmm.
getting exception, then only we are going to use. Everywhere will
Yeah.
not use all those things. If
Yes,
my
sir.
condition you understand, if that condition like scrolling option of the web page is not present, in that condition only we have to scroll to that particular element and click on that element. This one will help to
Yes.
Yeah.
scroll to the
Yeah.
particular element, and this one will help to pause you for the specific time what you have given. Like thread dot sleep we are using, no, it will work like that. This thread how we are using, it will work like that for you,
Mm-hmm.
like for mouse operations. Done? Understood? See, actually
Yes.
why I'm saying telling you all those things is as per the syllabus you can see have the idea what I want to do, how to handle a drop down list we are reading, how to handle mouse operations we'll read, different types of pop-ups are coming in our system, like while using you will get a notification pop-up or any different pop-ups we are getting or not, any alert pop-up, any authentication pop-up we are getting, how to handle pop-ups, all those things I'll tell you. Different frames we are getting, chatbots we are getting, everything will be done. Then different web tables will be getting. How to handle all those things? What are the ways? What are the hurdles will be facing, everything I'll be telling you up to this. Then from here we will start with our framework and our automation part, like a framework part, how to like execute all those things and how to implement all those things in my framework, we will see here. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's a, like what are the conditions we can face, that one I'm saying you right now. Then scrolling to the element is completed, mouse over completed, pausing is completed. Okay, now next we will see.
Can you go on that code? We need to take picture.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Done.
Entering datas using actions class. Driver dot get action dot send keys text field dot click, then only I can go there.
This is the bad example.
You are not, no one is saying anything. Why I'll not write? Is
Don't write that. It will go to YouTube.
good.
Don't perform. Okay. Okay, this will do. Many send keys.
I'll tell you why also. If someone will ask without using the send keys of web element, okay, enter some text inside a text field, like how it is working, you see first, then you'll get to know. Got my point? Like someone will say you enter the data inside this text field and this without locating the password. How to do? Have I located a password here?
No.
Or someone will say
No.
without using the send keys method of a web element, enter the data inside multiple text fields. In that condition, you can do this or not?
Yes.
Clear?
Using tab.
No, not using tab, using the send keys of
No, you enter
actions class.
text.
You will enter data again in send key, like will put tab again, will using the send keys only we
Yeah.
have. That means like my question was to enter data inside any of the text field without using the method or like send keys method of web element. That means we using the send keys, this send keys method is of your actions class, not web element.
Yes, yes. So you have only taken the XPath for email and
I
you
have taken
went
the XPath for email. Then what I did, I have just clicked here
clicked.
to reach out to this element. Then I have entered the data here. After that, I press tab here. Again, I have.
Yeah, using tab. You moved, right? Yeah. Got it.
Okay, take down this.
And so we have to call that perform method only at the last. We have
Yeah.
sending that. Okay.
Without perform method, actions class will not work. I have just done method chaining over here.
Oh, method chaining. Oh, got it. Okay, thank you.
That's why, see, I was not using end of line. This one I was not.
Got it. Mhm.
I've just method. And two things I have shown you. See, here one pause option I have shown you where, see, this is one pause method I have shown you, correct? In version 4, you can get this, but in all the versions, you can get this also. This will take milliseconds as argument, and this will take all type of duration as argument.
Okay.
I'm trying to let you know all the methods, how many it is there, okay? And how many ways we can do.
Okay.
Sikha got angry, that's why not replying.
No, I'm not angry. My kids only will laugh on me if they will see.
No, it's not like that. Done? Any
Yeah.
doubts till now?
No, sir.
No?
I have just one thing, like the perform we have written on the last, but the send keys for like
Yeah.
Shikha is a good girl went and text written. Later we have folded.
I have done
And
method changing.
yeah.
I have not kept like this because it will not look that good. Last only we will do, no, because this is one line only.
Okay,
This
got it.
is one line. Method chaining I have done.
So in entire chaining, only perform has to be in one time. It should not be written
Yeah,
after every send keys, right? Like after first one,
yeah,
after second, also third. Only once it is okay. Okay.
yeah. Only once it is okay. If it is in a serially, it is present. If like it is like you want, my point is, if you have to enter one data here and another data you have to put after 4 or 5 text fields, in that conditions you cannot do.
Yes.
If it is serially, that means only with this tab only I can work, correct? But if here you want to put, then again in some other place you want to put, you have to use like this. You have to look at that element, you have to click and use the send keys again. And again you have to use perform method.
Okay.
Done?
Done.
Okay.
And
Drag and drop on a web element. Okay. I need to search a website for that. Okay. Okay, what is the capital of Italy?
Rome,
Nice. What is the capital of Spain?
Madrid,
Which one?
Madrid.
Madrid. Last.
Oh. Norway?
No.
Stock. Sweden. Yeah.
I don't know.
Oslo.
Also.
Denmark?
Copenhagen. Third one.
South Korea?
Seoul, the last
Seoul.
one.
You all know more than me then. I don't know all those things. Okay, fine. That means what I did here is I'm just scrolling from one place to other place or not. See, using mouse only I am scrolling from one place to other place. Clear? This is your drag and drop. That means I'm dragging from one place and dropping in one place. That is your drag and drop operations. Let's see how to do this. Hmm. Drag and okay. Here to do drag and drop operation, one is our source, one is our destination. We have to look at source one and we have to also look at the destination one.
Oh,
Sundara. Okay, this is our
source.
source. Have a dot find element by dot export. This is my source.
So is it necessary to give index? Is it necessary to give
It
index?
is not necessary, but knowingly I'm giving because it is showing me like one of two. I have for I find element, I have to locate with unique value. I have to locate, or else it will go to the first element which is visible in the source code page. It is mandatory if you're using find element method that should be located uniquely.
Mhm.
This is our destination or target, anything you can say. Actions, actions dot drag and drop. You can see your source and target. Okay. Dot perform. Done.
Yes, sir.
That's all for today from my end. Any doubts till now?
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay, take down the assignments. Hmm. auto suggestion. Leave it. No assignments are there for your mouse operations. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.